Hi guys, today we are going to check about an Inventor 2020 which has been developed within a Autodesk. So here Inventor 2020 we will be seeing an icon like this. Once we double click, the Inventor 2020 will be opening. This is nothing but a parametric software where you can be designing your own 3D models by giving a parameters. Nothing but by changing of a parameters, the length and the other things will be getting into a change. So here this covers a basic view of an Inventor 2020. So once you click here, you will be getting a home screen by seeing like this. Here nothing but if you see here, one is a this panel, and we are having two panels. On the top one shows the projects and other shows which kind of a part we are going to draw. Here if we are seeing it in the panel here, we are having a part drawing, we are having an assembly, we are having drawing and presentation. The part is nothing but whatever the part we want to going to draw, that is nothing but called as a part drawing. Here we can create in a new part. And here if you check an assembly, assembly is nothing but combination of parts that we can be seeing in an assembly. For example, if we are taking a screw jack is consisting of multiple parts. So that multiple parts if we combine and we can make a model, that is nothing but called as an assembly. And next thing we are having a drawing. What is this drawing? This drawing is nothing but this is a 2D representation within a complete dimensions or these things. This will be much useful in case of transferring of model data for a representation purpose, or when you are giving it to a shop floor purpose. For these cases, this drawing file will be much helpful, and this can be preserved for the future drawings also. And the presentation is nothing but where we are going to give a presentations. In that kind of thing, this presentation will be helpful. So first thing we are going to check about a part drawing. This part drawing we can click on the here in the new part, or we can click it from here also in the new. So just once I am clicking here in a part. So once I click on a part, here it will be coming up with a new window. And the speed of this thing all depends upon the specifications of a computer which we are going to be using. So here once we open, this is a thing which we are going to see. Here we are having a lot of panels and ribbons and a lot of features are there, but once we click on the part, so here this is a new part. Since I have been already created a part 1 and part 2, so here I am able to see a part 3. So the name is given by a default, or else we can give our own name also, whatever the part which we are going to be drawing. So here you will be seeing this origin. These folders are created in the starting itself. So once if I click, as we know that we are having a 3 planes. So that is nothing but YZ plane and XZ plane and an XY plane. And this even we can be selecting by turning off this cube, it can be turned on. So here if we want to draw any kind of a new sketch, here we can directly click on this edit button. So once we click on this edit button, so that the new sketch will be open. So here we can draw. So here we will be drawing, for example, just for demonstration purpose, just I will be showing you a small thing that is in a line. So I will be keeping in a starting point and I will be keeping in a ending point, and just I am drawing in a rough drawing, so where this has been joined. So now this is a model. So if I want to make a circle, nothing but just I will be clicking here somewhere and I can draw a circle. So whatever we want we can draw. For example, if I take a rectangle, I can do this one. And I think this is the basic things which we could be able to see. In the later videos I will be showing you how to edit this or how to make any dimensions of this and all other stuff. So for a quick recap, it is nothing but first we will be clicking on the new part. Once we click on a new part, we will be able to see these planes. So once we see a planes, on which plane we are going to draw, we will be selecting such a plane and then clicking on the edit sketch, and there whatever the geometry we want to draw, we are going to drawing that geometry, and once we draw, just we will be clicking on a finish sketch, so that it will be saved. So here now if I want to edit onto that, just here I will be going here and I can make it an edit sketch here, or directly I can go to here and I can click on the edit sketch. So what it will be doing, it will be again allowing me to do any kind of changes. Okay, thank you.